Hello all my JavaScript friends, this is TheVirtuoid, aka Mike Smith, and this is our snake game. In this second video of our series and videos that we are going to show you, before we actually show you the code, I want to give you an idea of how I've designed everything, from the directory structure to the actual design of the game itself. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be as complete as possible with this game, unlike the other games. In the other games, I did just enough to be able to get everything working, and then I left it up to you to do whatever you want to do with it. But in this particular case, I wanted to be complete. The first thing I want to show you here is that I have organized everything based upon their base classes, the input classes, the base classes, the input classes, and the output classes. So, for example, the snake base class, here's all the different base files for, or base classes for the snake itself. If I want to do an input, here happens to be the base input classes. This includes the keyboard, and eventually will include the controller, the VR system, and all that kind of fun stuff. I don't have all the rest of those. And then the outputs I've gotten, like snake HTML, 2D, 3D, 4D. I will probably put that into a snake output directory eventually. As you can tell here, there's nothing here yet because I haven't gotten to this section yet as of the day that I'm recording this particular video. The biggest difference here, though, is that each and every single one of these files or classes, we'll just go to the base class for the example, so this is the one I worked on the most here, has gotten within it a particular design document. For instance, if we go back to our Hold the Tower game, which I've currently got up here, there was one design file called design.md, and like I said, you're seeing that on the screen right now. And that that MD file had absolutely everything about the particular Hold the Tower game, from gameplay to what the towers were, what the runners were, the factories, all that kind of fun stuff was all in this one giant MD file, and that worked out great. Except, to be honest with you, it was a lot to try to figure out and to understand and to make sure that I got everything that I wanted to put into the game. So what I have done differently here is now for each particular class that we'll be going over in other videos, each one has their own design document. Like, for instance, the body itself. Here's the design document for the body, and this tells you everything you want. I want to deal with just the body, and this covers only the body and nothing else. And so this will allow me just to concentrate just on the information or the methods, the properties, and everything I want for the body. Same thing for the game. Here's the game design. Just the game itself. All the design information is in that one section. Game event, same thing. Head, pitch, prize, segment, snake, vector, both the base and the vector 2D. And if we do the 3D games and the 4D games, each one will have their own designs. So as you can tell here, by doing it this way, yeah, I've got a lot of different design.md files, but I can now take a look at, in this case, segment, and just concentrate on just what it takes to do the segment. And from there, I can do the Cypress files for my unit test files and get all the unit tests done just for the segment. And they can tie directly into the design document itself for each one of these. And this just makes everything very concise and very targeted, so that each particular class here, the pitch, the prize, the segment, whatever, are all in their own little section. And I don't have to sit there and worry about, oh, where is the head information in this giant MD file? Everything is already done for me automatically. And that is the real key to how we're going to design everything for this particular game. So now that we've taken you through how we've got this designed, and as you can tell, it's very simple, but it's very concrete and it's very easy to understand. I think the next thing is we'll take a look at some code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to view more videos. Click on the like button on this video and visit us at virtuoid.com. Also, support us on Patreon, where you can get access to member-only videos. Links are down below. Again, thank you very much for watching, and keep on coding.